Do you think as a designer it's important to look at like different scenarios? For example, you mentioned that we looked at before COVID, after COVID, and like kind of during COVID.
Yeah.
Do you think it kind of comes into play when we're looking at any sort of design? So if we're looking at, let's say, making a phone, would you look at like the old phones and then the new phones and how you can change it? Or like would you just look at what is existing now? Because personally, like I would look at the whole range of like the history behind how something came about.
Yeah, like me too, because I need to know that what does it improve?
Yeah.
Like what is the improvement of the new design?
Yeah.
Yeah.
But I think that also it's based on the fact that the users and the consumers that use the product kind of there's a way that they use it, and you want to continue with the fact that they're using it that way with building up comfort. And it kind of builds the whole concept of like the whole community power, because if you're so invested in something like a product that you're continuously like looking into designing, processing, I think it's kind of inevitable that you would want to change it so that it impacts the same users and consumers. What do you think?
I think the development is important, and design is the target.
Yeah, like we kind of know what is the direction of the future.
Yeah, exactly.
As a designer, that's really important.
Yeah. And as a designer, what do you both think that, like, for you personally, what is the most important thing to look at? Like, we're addressing 3 themes, and like that we're looking at social cohesion, mental physical well-being, and community. But which ones do you think are the most important?
For me, it's community, because like it's more basic. Like, we know the average of each people. Like, what problem does it solve for a design? It's kind of really important for me, because the design means that it's an object to to solve problems. Yeah, so I'm kind of looking at communities. What's the shortage of the community?
What about you? Which theme stands out to you?
I think community.
As well?
Yeah.
Interesting.
How about you?
I would say I would say mental physical well-being, because I think it kind of encapsulates the whole idea of community and social cohesion. I think they're all linked in some way, but I think the stem of both, like all 3 of them, is the fact that mental and physical well-being kind of helps progress and build the idea of community. And like if you're going out to play a sport, for example, for physical well-being, you're playing with other people. If you're going out for like meeting your friends, it's social, it's just stuff like that basically. Like